This little tool punches way above its size. Yeah, it's a flashlight, but it's also a bolt driver, a magnetic base, a window breaker, a red emergency light, a carabiner, and it charges with USB-C. It's made for camping, roadside fixes, power outages, or honestly, just for that peace of mind when you're out and about. Clips easily to your bag, belt, or glove box and stays out of the way until you really need it. And when you do, you'll be glad it's there. Ever tried cleaning your keyboard with a tissue? Yeah, doesn't really do the job. This little cylinder might not look like much, but open it up and you've got 20 different tools, each one made to clean the tech you actually use. Keyboards, earbuds, phone ports, laptop vents, camera lenses, even that weird dust in the corner of your screen. There's a keycap puller, precision brushes, soft swabs, a SIM card ejector, and more, all packed into a compact case that fits in your drawer or bag. It's one of those things you don't realize you needed, until your keyboard looks brand new, your AirPods actually work again, and your screen finally feels clean, not just wiped. If you're even slightly into keeping your gear in good shape, this thing pays for itself fast. Clean smarter, not harder. And maybe stop using your hoodie sleeve as a screen cleaner. Phone at 5% and no outlet around, this mini power bank stays on your keychain and gives you that emergency boost, right when you need it. No cables, no hassle, just plug it in and keep going. Light, compact, and always with you. Some toolkits are bulky and sit in a drawer collecting dust. Others feel cheap and fall apart after a few uses. But this one, it's smart, compact, and genuinely satisfying to use. Housed in a sleek magnetic case, this kit includes 48 precision bits, each color-coded and made from durable, high-grade steel. Whether you're opening up a laptop, replacing phone parts, fixing glasses, or tinkering with tiny electronics, this kit's got your back. The magnetic handle feels premium in your hand, smooth, solid, and perfectly weighted. And everything clicks neatly back into place, so it's just as enjoyable to put away as it is to use. It's minimal, it's portable, and it works. Looking for a fun, low-effort way to help kids practice math? This clever little roller prints random math problems, addition or subtraction, each time you swipe. Just roll it across any piece of paper, and you've got a new set of exercises ready to go. No printing, no prep, and definitely no screens. It's quick, clean, and oddly satisfying. Kids love the feeling of rolling it themselves, like they're creating their own workbook. It's a great tool for teachers who need fast practice sheets in class. And for parents, it's an easy way to sneak in some learning during homework time or on the go. Pop it into a pencil case, keep it at your desk, or bring it on trips. Instant math anywhere. Plus, the designs are cute and kid-friendly, which makes it even more inviting. Less stress, more practice, and math finally feels a bit more fun. Looks like a ring, works like a hidden blade. This stainless steel piece flips open in seconds, revealing a sharp edge for quick self-defense or emergency use. Sleek, discreet, and always within reach. It's not just a ring, it's backup. One tool. Endless possibilities. This isn't just a multi-tool, it's a full-on survival kit in your pocket. Need to cut, grip, twist, saw, pry, or fix something on the spot? It's got you covered. With pliers, a sharp blade, saw, screwdrivers, wire cutter, bottle opener, and more. This tool folds down into one sleek, solid piece of gear that's easy to carry, but tough enough for real work. It's built for campers, hikers, bikers, handymen, and anyone who likes to be ready when life throws a curveball. Stuck zipper, loose bolt, broken strap, frayed rope, handled in seconds. The all-black tactical design isn't just for show. It's sturdy, dependable, and built to last. Whether you're deep in the woods or just fixing something in the garage, this tool earns its spot every time, because sometimes having the right tool isn't a luxury. It's the difference between stuck and solved.